Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Uppercase, A. Lowercase, a. Uppercase, B. Lowercase, b. Uppercase, C. Lowercase, c. Uppercase, D. Lowercase, d. Let's trace and paint them together. Uppercase, A. Uppercase, B. Uppercase, C. Uppercase, D. Lowercase, a. Lowercase, b. Lowercase, c. Lowercase, d. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for apple.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and
B is for bat.
wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
C is for car.
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash
D is for duck.
my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my
A is for ant.
fair lady. Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow.
B is for ball.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady.
C is for carrot.
Falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
D is for door. Uppercase, A. Lowercase, a. Uppercase, B. Lowercase, b. Uppercase, C. Lowercase, c. Uppercase, D. Lowercase, d. Please like and subscribe to my channel.